Borrowing and lending are essential concepts in our daily lives, especially for students. When you borrow something, like a book or a pencil, you're taking it temporarily with the intention of returning it. For example, if you need a textbook for a week, you ask a friend if you can borrow it. On the flip side, lending is when you give something to someone else, trusting they'll return it. If you lend your notes to a classmate, you're helping them out while also expecting them back. It's important to communicate clearly when borrowing or lending. Always ask permission before borrowing, and if you lend something, make sure to set a timeline for when you'd like it back. This helps avoid misunderstandings. Also, keep track of what you've borrowed or lent to stay organized. Remember, being responsible with borrowed items shows respect for others' belongings and builds trust. So, next time you need something, think about how to borrow or lend effectively.